Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A16 and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So first you should go just to the settings application and then scroll down to the privacy section. Here click to the hide apps, and if you got the here the pattern or pin code on your device, you just enter here, draw your pattern for example, and now you got here all your available applications on your device. And for example we wanna hide the Facebook, so click here to the settings now, and we should here enter our access code. So just click to the just enter here your password. In my case that will be like for once, and just click here to set. Wait a second and click here to done. And now for example, as can you see, we got this our Facebook application in like hiding. And now for example we can add here more applications, and they are here not visible in our apps menu, as can you see. And if you want to just go back here and to make them visible, just click here again on the switchers, and now we'll go back to our menu, apps menu, and as can you see we got here again our Facebook assistant and one more application here in our app menu. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.